Assalamualaikum and hi to lecturer and fellow friends. First of all, I am very sorry because my voice cracking. I got fever. But let's get into chapter 6, Foundations of Business Intelligence, Databases and Information Management, subtopic 6.4. Why are information policy, data administration, and data quality assurance essential for managing the firm's data resources? Let's get into it. In this chapter, there's two main topics, which is establishing an information policy and ensuring data quality. Before that, let me tell you something. Setting up a database is only the start. In order to make sure that the data for your business remain accurate, reliable, and readily available to those who need them, your business will need special policies and procedures for data management. Establishing an information policy. Every business, large and small, needs an information policy. Your firm's data are an important resource, and you don't want people doing whatever they want with them. You need to have rules on how the data are to be organized and maintained, and who is allowed to view the data or change them. Next, ensuring data quality. Ensuring data quality is a well-designed database and information policy will go a long way toward ensuring that the business has the information it needs. Data that are inaccurate, untimely, or inconsistent with other sources of information lead to incorrect decisions, product recalls, and financial losses. And now let's take a look on establishing an information policy. Information policy specifies the organization's rule for sharing, disseminating, acquiring, standardizing, classifying, and inventorying information. It lays out specific procedures and accountabilities, identify which users and organizational units can share information, where information can be distributed, and who is responsible for updating and maintaining the information. For example, a typical information policy would specify that only selected members of the payroll and human resources department would have the right to change and view sensitive employee data, such as employee's salary or any security number, and that these departments are responsible for making sure that employee data are accurate. Second, data administrations is responsible for these specific policies and procedures through which data can be managed as an organizational resource. These responsibilities include developing an information policy, planning for data, overseeing logical database design and data dictionary development, and monitoring how information system specialists and user groups use data. Third, data governance. Used to describe many of these activities, it is promoted by IBM. Data governance deals with the policies and processes for managing the availability, usability, integrity, and security of the data employed in an enterprise with special emphasis on promoting privacy, security, data quality, and compliance with government regulations. A large organization will also have a database design and management group within the corporate information system division that is responsible for defining and organizing the structure and content of the database and maintaining the database. In close cooperation with users, the design group established the physical database, the logical relations among elements, and the access rules and security procedures. The functions it performs are called database administrations. And now let's take a look on ensuring data quality. Some of these data quality problems are caused by redundant and inconsistent data produced by multiple systems feeding a data warehouse. For example, the sales ordering system and the inventory management system might both maintain data on the organization products. However, the sales ordering system might use the term item number, and the inventory system might call the same attribute product number. The sales, inventory, or manufacturing systems of a clothing retailer might use different codes to represent values for an attribute. One system might represent clothing size as medium, whereas the other system might use the code AMP for the same purpose. During the design process for the warehouse database, data describing entities such as a customer, product, or order should be named and defined consistently for all business areas using the database. If a database is properly designed and enterprise-wide, data standards established, duplicate or inconsistent data elements should be minimal. Most data quality problems, however, such as misspelled names, transposed number, or incorrect or missing codes, stem from errors during data input. The incidence of such errors is rising as companies move their businesses to the web and allow customers and suppliers to enter data into their websites that directly update internal system. Now let's take a look on data quality audit. Data quality audit, which is a structured survey of the accuracy and level of completeness of the data in an information system. Data quality audits can be performed by surveying entire data files, surveying samples from data files, or surveying end users for their perceptions of data quality. Moreover, data cleansing. It is also known as data scrubbing, consists of activities for detecting and correcting data in a database that are incorrect, incomplete, improperly formatted, or redundant. It not only corrects errors but also enforces consistency among different sets of data that originate in separate information systems. Data quality problems are not just business problems. They also pose serious problems for individuals, affecting their financial condition and even their jobs. For example, inaccurate or outdated data about consumers' credit histories maintained by credit bureaus can prevent creditworthy individuals from obtaining loans or lower their chances of finding or keeping a job. A small minority of companies allow individual departments to be in charge of maintaining the quality of their own data. However, best data administration practices call for centralizing data governance, standardization of organizational data, data quality maintenance, and accessibility to data assets. The interactive session on management illustrates Societe Generale's experience with managing data as a resource. As you know, try to identify the policies, procedures, and technologies that were required to improve data management at the company. Thank you so much for listening to my presentations, and I am sorry for the problem from me. And this presentation are prepared for Sir Hussaini bin Ibrahim.